Hello all you amazing furs. Today I am making my dragon mask. And obviously I just started painting it using my essentially just a standard paint, as you can see. I just used for the main base coat just a standard can of green generic clear coat, non-clear coat, so whatever you call it, spray paint, nothing special about it. I just kind of went out to the backyard and kind of just hung it from the, like, I think it's like a compost bin essentially, where we pull our compost into for the garden and all the rest. I just started spraying, slowly covering a good first coat onto it. I also gave it a good sanding with some sandpaper. I didn't really be bothered filming me just, using sandpaper, but yeah. It was a little bit breezy that day, but it was okay. I was able to get most of it done with a few small issues, but I just let it sit in the sun for most of the day, and now it's essentially just sitting in my bedroom beside my bed, in a nice area. It's nice and warm and dry, just to finish hardening, as it's still a little bit tacky, not quite set. I want to, wait until before I put any more paint on it to let that layer set overnight. Once that's set, then I'm going to put a clear coat, and I am spraying it upside down just to clear the nozzle out so it doesn't get blocked. And all that kind of worked, it kind of didn't at the same time. It's, yeah. And I'm wearing a gas mask to protect myself, obviously. And now that I've got a can of gold spray paint, I'm going to spray the horns. They actually turned out really nice. I've just got them sitting next to me right now, and all I got to do is put a nice coat of clear coat paint on them. And yeah, it's just sprayed it right onto it, and yeah, I got a bit on my hands, and I managed to get most of the paint off, washed it off using some furious cleaning stuff, but I'm okay. Nothing to worry about, just a little bit of paint on your hands. They came out really nice and shiny. It's impressively nice, and I kind of decided that would look really good in metallic. They didn't unfortunately have any other metallic colours other than gold and silver, I believe, at the store at times, so I just went with just metallic gold. I can technically, paint over if I want to other colours, but you know what, this will do perfectly fine. So I then started work. I got my hands a little bit dirty there, but yeah. Other than that, I think I did pretty well. Letting the paint dry for most of the day, and then going out and giving it a second coat after I did this. Where I missed a few spots still, but I'm going to just go over again with the just another layer of it, and then after that I'm going to go over it with the red, and I'm going to use a bit of masking tape and some newspaper to cover the rest of it while I paint. You can see I got gold paint on my hands. It's kind of but other than that, I went right back to work painting the rest of my stuff. But after that, I kind of just, yeah. So let me know what you think in the comments and all the rest. I hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, it was pretty fun to do, and just got outside for a bit and all the rest. Thank you for viewing, and hopefully you'll be able to see part 2 where I start some more extensive painting work. See you all soon.